stand in awe within the presence of the Lord, in whom the wisdom of the ages.
Blessing, what a time we've had on the water. Our inspiration, 2 fellows in one ship, and that's what it has been. For those that have been here, we thank you for coming. We're blessed. God be praised. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Today was amazing. The weather was funny, but not amazing. Everyone having fun. You can see it's quite loud, but overall, it's amazing. Ching ching.
What do you think about today?
Lovely. It's good to get away from the hustle and bustle of London life and just have fun. So it's good to have been here with people of like precious faith, same goals, same aspirations in life, and also in godliness. So it's awesome and it's good to have been here.
Thank you.
Destroy this temple, Jesus said, and I will rebuild it in 3 days. Yes, he was showing none is greater than him when it comes to constructing. His hands have laid the very foundation. The same hands will place the capstone, stone after stone after stone after stone. Break up on break up on break up on break. Revelation after revelation. this house will stand again. Stone after stone after stone after stone. Break up and break up and break up and break.
Say some words for today.
Oh, it was very lovely. I enjoyed my time with the kids. Organizing a little game for them so that they don't be too bored. But they're having fun, so I'm happy.
Très belle journée, vraiment. On s'est amusé, on a beaucoup mangé, beaucoup échangé. Le soleil était au rendez-vous. Merci.
Rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem. They came insulting them, criticizing them, mocking them, even cursing them. They didn't know that Nehemiah, he had the full backup of the king, with determination in his heart to see Jerusalem.
Dr. Bumba, what do you think about today?
What I think about today?
Yeah.
No comment.
No comment. You will say something.
It's good to be here.
Yeah.
Good to be here, enjoying the sun, fellowshipping, cruising.
Yeah.
It can be better.
What do you think about today?
Bon, qu'est-ce qu'on peut dire encore? On remercie les Seigneurs pour le temps qu'il nous a accordé. Il y a un très bon temps de communion. Et comme on a dit, le soleil est au rendez-vous. Il y a un peu de pluie, mais le Seigneur a beaucoup comme le soleil. Nous les remercions. Nous croyons que des occasions comme ça, on n'en a pas toujours. On est toujours occupé, travailler, famille. Et ce qui est plus grave, même nos voisins, on ne les connaît pas. C'est ça le pays. C'est ce qui me manque au pays ici. Au pays, vous êtes connus. Alors, c'est ce qui nous manque pratiquement ici. Un temps comme ça où nous pouvons parler quand même à cœur ouvert et parler de Dieu, parler de la vie. Alors, nous vous saluons. Au nom de Jésus-Christ. Merci.
It's a good feeling, just out there, just saying, relax, thank you. And we should do more of this. I'm enjoying myself, and thank you very much, my brother. So, it's been a good day, nice weather, nice food. God is good.
Good. Thank you.
That's right. Thank you, brother. Pepele.
Today is a very important day. It's my birthday, so I'm so happy.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a big surprise.
And I'm so grateful just to say thank you to the pastor for organizing this day.
Wow.
Thank you. God bless you, everyone. Love you all.
It's a perfect day.
Yeah, perfect day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Jésus. Bonsoir, enfants de Jésus. Dans l'ensemble,
Oh, today has been very interesting, fun, bonding, meeting people, having conversations, finding similarities between us, and catching up basically. So it's something that I would like to happen again. Maybe like a different location, but I'm sure there are always plans. So this is fun,
What's your name?
Joy Thompson.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You have to say something, my sister.
God bless you all.
What do you think about today?
Today is we thank God for using the pastor for the business. It's a very good thing. We really enjoyed it. And God bless everyone.
I can see you enjoy. What do you think about today?
Say something about
You want to say something?
the food was nice and I like the music. The music was good.
Very high spirit.
Did you like the music? Did you like the music?
Good. Hey, your impression?
It's a beautiful day. Let's just say it's a great day. Sunny day.
Sunny day. Okay.
Having a good time.
Yeah.
Wonderful fellowship. Different brethren.
Okay. Thank you. Myself.
Merci pour cette belle ipona mokolo yo. Journée eza kitoko ata eza moi mingi te mais quand même oyo tosepeli na yango.
How do you feel about this? How do you think about it?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
I just don't know how to speak.
Yeah, shy, but it's good.
On sentir déjà parce que ça va cueillir. Maintenant, c'est détendre du temps. On sait qu'on a passé un Peter à l'organisation sur le bureau pour ça va bien.
Merci. Brother William, what do you think about today?
What a wonderful time. We want to have more of this. It's really great. We want to thank Pastor Peter.
It's nice.
And all the organizers. The
weather is nice. Yeah.
When you look around, look at the weather. It's so beautiful. We thank you very much. Thank you also for viewing, taking the pictures. The children are happy. The young people are happy. We are grateful as well.
Thank you. You want to say something?
You took me off guard. No, I think it's been a good day out on the River Thames and get to fellowship and talk to people that you would not have ordinarily spoken to at church. So it's been a good time of fellowship. Fellowship is what is really important. It has been achieved as the theme of the cruise.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Revelation after revelation, this house will stand again. Now Tobias the Ammonite came with his friends, trying to stand in the way of Nehemiah. For that land they were busy rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem. They came insulting them, criticizing them, mocking them, even cursing them. They didn't know that Nehemiah, he had the full backup of the king, with determination in his heart to see Jerusalem stand again. Stone after stone, after stone, after stone, break up and break up and break up.
Encore un jour et j'atteindrai le but, mais tout est bien, oui tout est bien.
toza kuenjoy biso awa na kati ya local Christian Assembly na kati ya mai sepeli tozokumisa Nzambe tolie tozokomela toza kokumisa mokonzi.
Merci.
Oh, today's been such a lovely day. Nice weather, good food. Thank you.
And you?
Yes, good fellowship and lovely to be amongst the saints and to have chats and really, good fellowship. So we're happy to be here. A lovely day. Good food, like Abby said. Lovely to be relaxing. It's a good day.
And you?
Really good day. Thank you for everyone for all your efforts. Lovely. Thank you.
It's been a wonderful day today. We had a wonderful time. Good music and good weather. It's been wonderful. God bless you. Tremendous day. God bless you.
Yeah, I just want to say that the tour that they gave us was very good, and the people who contributed to it was very good. They're very sharp. So that's a major thing for us. As we're coming back into this way, we realize there's some people who want to be involved in it as well. Keep on going.
Okay. Thank you. You want to say something?
Yes, it's been a lovely day and we're very grateful. And it's nice to see everyone coming out in their true colors and see smiling, happy faces.
Thank you.
We have been waiting for this for 20 years, 8 years. 51. Really nice.
Okay, thank you.
We thank Pastor for this.
Ancien Marie en anglais.
Break up and pray. Revelation after revelation. That's it yet to start again. Zerubbabel, the greatest architect, he is the one constructing this temple. His hands have laid the very foundation, and the same hands are placing the capstone. And the glory of this house will be greater, so much greater than the previous one. The same Jesus that walked back then, he is the one to be seen in this temple, and greater works we are ready to go. For the glory is simply greater, stone after stone after stone after stone, scriptures after scriptures every day, revelation after revelation. This house is ready. Stone after stone after stone after stone, break up and break up and break up and break, revelation after revelation. This house is ready, God. This house is ready again. This house is ready today.
Blessing. What a time we've had on the water. Our inspiration, 2 fellows in one ship, and that's what it has been. For those that have been here, we thank you for coming. We're blessed. God be praised. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I stand in awe within the presence of the Lord.